We've been on the project now for 5 weeks, and it looks really, really cool. We've got some wall panels up now, as you can probably see behind us.
And we're sitting on our floor.
And we're sitting on our floor.
How cool is that?
Yeah, so, we've sort of been probably a little bit impatient in some respects, but at the same time, our fabricator's doing a fantastic job on the panels, the wall panels. He's currently working on the ones for across the front here and down the side, which are predominantly 4-piece glass windows. So taking him a little bit longer, but he's doing a sensational job on them, and they should look amazing.
He's also the only guy who's currently working on these types of panels. So it's literally a one-man show, and he has to make them, finish them off, and then also wait for dry weather so that you can paint them. So it's just a matter of finding a sunny day for him to finish it off. So just got to be patient.
He's doing a brilliant job though. So we've given us the opportunity to design our kitchen. Our kitchen design is loft in, so we can now rough in the plumbing and the electrical for other parts of the house as well. So we're on the hunt for different components for that now, electrical cabling and switches and power points and different bits and pieces like that. So, which is super exciting. We're off to Denpasar tomorrow. We'll sort of go and get a couple of things sorted out with our visas. And while we're there, we're going to order some more GRC board. You can't really see it now, but we've got the remaining floor panels for the lounge room and kitchen area, which is cool. We'll organise the GRC panels for that, which is the same as this stuff here. And then we'll also get the GRC sheets for the walls as well. But I think that's about it.
Yeah, so it doesn't seem like a lot, because I feel like it's one of those weeks where you can't do an awful lot because we are waiting for the new panels to arrive. And it doesn't mean that we're not doing anything, but in some weeks you just can't really see what we're doing because there's a lot of stuff happening in the background.
Yeah.
And then I guess in other weeks, like for example, when the walls go up and when the roof goes up, that's when you really start to see things. So in some way it can be a little bit frustrating. If you have one of those weeks where you just can't see much, but it is what it is. It's all part of the journey, and hopefully next week we can actually see a little bit more, which will be great.
Yep.
Yeah, so that's it for this week's update. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next week.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Welcome to our latest wrap. This is progress. As you can see here, we've
The walls are done.
Yeah, just about erected. We've erected our wall
Just
panels.
like that.
all these ones here are, some of them will have windows in them and the rest will have glass. So this entire frontage here that you can see, and also 3 of the 4 panels down that side will all be glass. Be like a wraparound. So we've got our office at the front here, and then there'll be a workshop in here. So yeah, it's coming along. One of the things you can't see behind you is that there's now 16 panels of GRC board on the floor for the kitchen and lounge room area, which is awesome. It was an epic day getting that stuff delivered, because the Jalan here, the access road, is really, really bad at the moment due to mud and rain from the trucks in the construction site next door. So the poor guys had to carry the stuff down here, which was pretty epic. But we got it done, and yeah, it's in place now. Just got to go through and screw a lot of that off. So weather's been unpredictable, obviously, but
it's been quite rainy.
Lately. So
yeah, now it's sunny. Always the way.
We've got the GRC cladding as well for the external walls here. So we're going to start putting that on. Maybe today, actually. I might just do one and see how we go with that.
If we don't melt.
If we don't melt, yeah, it's sort of damn hot again. So
again, yeah.
We'll see how we go with that. But yeah, all in all, it's progressing really, really well. Our fabricator has now started work on the roof panels. We just called in and saw him about half an hour ago. We started doing the panels for the roof. So that's the next thing that'll come online. He said to have them ready in about a week. So yeah, it's one of those things again that we need to wait. If everything was here on site, we could pretty well have the thing thrown together in a day or two. So.
Oh, we still have enough to do.
We still have heaps to do. Yeah. So a long way to go. Yep. We've roughed in some of the electrical underneath the living and kitchen area. Where we're sitting here will be one of our elevated walkways between the living spaces, which we still need to get fabricated as well. Yep. Have decking on it, and there'll be some sort of windows and doors. And so yeah, it's starting to come together. We're loving it, loving the process. It's a bit of a challenge at times, but it's definitely well.
It's a wild ride, but it's really, really cool, and it's really amazing seeing it all coming together now. The walls are up, and I think in the next couple of weeks we can really start to see things falling into place, and hopefully we've got a roof next time. For the next update.
No, probably not. I think it's probably a bit ambitious, but maybe the one after. We might, but yeah, it's coming up really, really well. We'll have some GRC panels on the walls of this space for sure next time we do a wrap. So until then, arrivederci.